In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a liquidity provider on UniSwap. By the end, you'll understand how to create a new liquidity position, choose your pair and fee tier, set a price range, and deposit tokens with confidence. Before you begin, make sure you're on the official UniSwap app, you're on the correct network for your tokens, and you have enough native token for gas fees. Start by opening the UniSwap app in your browser. On the landing screen, look for the pool section. This is where all liquidity positions live. Head to Pool, then select New to start creating a fresh position. Think of a position as your contribution of 2 tokens to a trading pair, which earns a share of trading fees. Next, select the pair you want to support. You'll pick 2 assets that you already hold in your wallet. Be careful when choosing tokens. Stick to well-known tokens or verified lists, and double-check symbols to avoid lookalikes. After picking the first token, choose the second token to complete the pair. Uniswap will display the network and the pair details so you can confirm you're in the right place. Now choose a fee tier. This determines the percentage of each swap you'll earn. Lower fees are typically used by highly correlated or very liquid pairs, while higher fees can make sense for volatile or less liquid pairs. If you're unsure, select the tier commonly used by your pair's most active pool. It usually balances volume with earnings. Continue to the pricing screen. You'll see the current market price for your selected pair. This is important because Uniswap uses concentrated liquidity. Your funds are active only within the price range you define. Here you can pick a price strategy. Narrow ranges concentrate your liquidity and can earn more fees when trades happen inside that range, but your position stops earning if price moves outside it. Wider ranges are more forgiving but dilute your capital. Next, deposit tokens. The interface will show how much of each token is required to match the price range you've set. Enter the amount you want to contribute and confirm the token selections. If it's your first time depositing a token, you may be prompted to approve it for use. That's normal. If you prefer simplicity, you can choose full range. This covers the entire price spectrum, keeping your liquidity active at all times. It's beginner-friendly, though typically less capital efficient than a narrower range. Review your inputs, ensure everything looks correct, and follow the on-screen prompts to wrap up. That's it. You've set yourself up to provide liquidity on Uniswap.